Looking to start your own online business from home? Here's how to become an official eBay seller using a desktop. Begin by visiting ebay.com. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, click register, create a new one. Once you signed in, look for the sell option at the top of the screen. This is your gateway to the seller hub. Type in what you want to sell, whether it's electronics, clothes, or collectibles. Add a clear title, photo description, and price. You'll be prompted to add your PayPal or bank account details. Choose a shipping method and review any fees. Once everything looks good, click list it and your product goes live for millions of eBay users to see. Congrats! You're now officially an eBay seller. Like and subscribe for more in-depth tutorials on growing your e-commerce journey. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.